able to average $900 a day, will that change your life? That is $328,000 a year. So if you answered yes, this video is for you. So listen up. My name is Shirley. I'm just an ordinary busy boy mom and wife from Colorado. And I teach moms who are struggling financially how to earn money online through digital marketing. If you have a smartphone, access to Wi-Fi, and can commit to a 2-hour workday, you can do this. You can start earning money online. There's no calling customers or looking for customers. You don't even need to DM customers. You don't even need to bother your friends and family. This is a rejection-free business. It's also not an MLM, and it's not a freaking pyramid scheme. And the best thing is, you get access to a proven step-by-step beginner-friendly blueprint with live mentorships, trainings, and daily videos. You can fit this in the nooks and crannies of your day. You could do 30 minutes in the morning, 1 hour at night, or 30 minutes midday. You can do this around your family schedule. You'll be able to promote not one, but 4 done-for-you digital products, and you earn 100% profit. And the 4 digital products, you can promote a $100 product, the $300 product, $600, and a $900 product. That gives you 4 streams of income and flexibility for your customers, from a low ticket item to a high ticket item. So if you are ready to start learning these high income skills so that you can start averaging $900 a day and start taking back control of your finances and stop letting your bank account determine what you're going to be doing today, I want you to put me in the comments, and I would absolutely love to help and guide you through this journey and get you more information.